For advanced simulation, when a regular linear static study isn't enough, you can turn to Simulation Premium Nonlinear for added accuracy and capabilities. The quickest way to become an expert in setting up and using these advanced tools is in the 2-day hands-on nonlinear simulation training class. Here's what you learn. We start with the basics, which include when and why you'd use a nonlinear study instead of a regular linear study. We then expand upon the foundational skills and make sure you know how to leverage all the tools available to solve these nonlinear studies, including nonlinear materials like plastics and rubbers, large displacement for high-performance materials and designs, and even time-dependent studies to help you get accuracy and control in your simulation. From advanced materials, setups, and controls, this 2-day training class will help you become an expert in accurately setting up and running nonlinear studies so you can most effectively use Simulation Premium to make the best design decisions. Sign up today to get started.